3D printing technology is transforming wildlife rehabilitation, giving animals a second chance at life after suffering devastating injuries. Many creatures, from birds who lost their beaks to turtles without flippers, were once left unable to eat, walk, or swim, facing almost certain death. Today, engineers, veterinarians, and compassionate caretakers are using cutting-edge 3D printing to create custom prosthetics that restore mobility and essential functions. These innovations not only save individual animals, but also inspire hope for broader wildlife conservation efforts worldwide, showing how technology and empathy can work together to change lives. One of the most remarkable cases is Beauty, the bald eagle, who was shot in the face at 6 years old and left unable to eat. Experts initially recommended euthanasia, but wildlife medic Jane Cantwell collaborated with 3D printing engineers and a dentist to create a durable nylon polymer beak. Similarly, Lola the sea turtle lost a flipper after getting tangled in fishing lines, but was fitted with the first hydrodynamic biomimetic prosthetic flipper, allowing her to swim naturally again. Winter, a young bottlenose dolphin, had her tail flukes damaged by a crab trap, and her unnatural swimming pattern stressed her spine. Yet a custom silicone and plastic tail has improved her mobility and comfort. Masha, a young Asian elephant injured by a landmine, has adapted to multiple versions of prosthetic legs, highlighting the ongoing progress in animal prosthetics. Other success stories include Fred the tortoise, who survived a forest fire and 2 bouts of pneumonia but lost most of her shell. A 3D printed corn-based replacement now provides protection and comfort, while Gracia the toucan, who had her beak hacked off by an unknown individual, received a 2-part nylon prosthetic that allows her to eat normally and live at a rescue center in Costa Rica. Akut 3, a loggerhead sea turtle whose jaw was destroyed in a boat collision, was fitted with a prosthetic jaw, giving hope that he could eventually return to the wild. Each of these stories demonstrates how innovation, dedication, and creativity can dramatically improve the lives of injured animals. Beyond individual rescues, 3D printing could help entire species survive. Rhino horns, highly prized on the black market for their medicinal and cosmetic value, are being reproduced in labs with the same chemical and biological composition as the originals. While some experts worry that these replicas could make it harder to track poachers, others hope flooding the market with cheaper lab-made horns could reduce illegal hunting and save rhinos from extinction. Last year alone, over 1,200 rhinos were poached, showing how urgent the problem is. If successful, this technology could reshape wildlife protection, proving that advanced innovations like 3D printing can serve as powerful tools in conserving endangered species and preserving the planet's biodiversity.